to Learning with Austin and Nanny. Today I'm going to be reviewing Heal the Earth by Julian Lennon. He's a New York Times best-selling author of Touch the Earth. Julian Lennon was the author along with Bart Davis, illustrated by Similiana Co.
Goodness, we're just getting over a cold. Excuse us. Sorry.
Sorry about that.
Oh, goodness, excuse us.
Thank you. So as you can see, very, very detailed in the pictures, which is really cool. And that's a fabulous map of the world. Do you guys agree at home?
Absolutely.
Do you? We're in my nook, and sorry if you just hear my dog come scratching at the door. We just made a video about reading this. It was a little long, but if you do hear my dog, his name's Tanner. We apologize. And I have the other book right here. Touch the Earth. So if you guys can peer at that. And I'm just gonna kind of flip through the pages. And what do you think? What do you think? Press the hospital button to change the flyer into. What do you guys think it's gonna change into? Write it down in the comments quickly.
Yes.
Turn to the page in 5, 4, 3, 2. There's no point saying one. A mobile hospital. So if you guys got it correct, good job at home. You guessed it, or maybe you heard it in the book.
What are some of the surprises about Heal the Earth? What surprised you about Heal the Earth?
Oh, the surprising thing was, there are multiple surprising things.
Oh, okay.
It turned into a mobile hospital.
Yes.
And you guys can see this exact same map at the beginning of the book inside the doctor's room.
Well, when we were discussing the release of Heal the Earth, for months we've been talking about what the white feather flyer might turn into. And what was your guess?
Parachute.
Parachute. That's a good guess.
And they said yes, but I guess they didn't use it. So I'm just going to flip through a little bit more.
Nanny thought it was a very good guess.
And this is the coral reef. Here's the coral reef with no colors.
You learned a lot about the coral reef, right? Oh, excuse us again. Sorry.
Here's
Our
the
apologies.
coral reef with colors. And these things are called zoinks.
You were surprised about the loss of color of the reef, right?
Yeah. That was really cool. And also, I'm going to skip through a little part of it quickly. About this. I'm going to go to the...
What do you enjoy most about Mr. Julian's writing?
Oh, he makes it really nice, friendly. And at the poem, he has a poem at the back of it. Go watch my 10-minute video long of reading it, if you wouldn't mind. After this, thank you. And I actually read this poem.
What do you think about the illustrations?
Fabulous. Perfect. Great illustrations. Couldn't be better.
Would you recommend this book?
Oh, 100%.
Wow. Can you tell us why?
Because the illustrations are fabulous. See? I agree. I bet most of you at home could not draw this well. Just a guess. If you can,
she's very talented.
If you can, props to you.
Props to you.
If you can, and actually be honest about that. Because I cannot.
Okay, so out of 5 stars, how
5.
many stars? Oh, whoa, that was a quick answer. A 5-star rating, 5 out of 5 stars for Heal the Earth.
Yes, and if you guys, and I'll even write it on my whiteboard.
Five out of 5 for you, Julian, that fast. You got another winner on your hands. Of course, we already knew that.
There you go.
All right, Austin, what a wonderful review. You want to wrap this up and tell your viewers one last time about the book?
Thank
and
you.
I'm going to hold the cover up for them, and then I'm going to show them Touch the Earth too, and let them know that it's going to be, there's one more coming, right?
Yep, there's one more coming. My guess is Love the Earth.
Oh, I love that idea. Oh. Say, Mr. Julian, what do you think of that one? Love the Earth?
What do you think about that?
What do you think about
Love
that,
the Earth?
Jules?
Idea.
Ideas.
There you go, mister.
There you go, mister. It's just an idea.
There you go, Mr. Lennon, Sir Lennon.
Sir Lennon.
So here
Very
you go.
nice.
There's
Very
the
nice.
2 colors. Please go watch some of our videos. Thank you very much. Pound it. Noggin.